Complacency kills. It can kill your health, it can kill your business and career, and it can kill relationships. Complacency is a state of self-satisfaction and contentment with yourself and the environment, while unaware that danger is lurking in the background. So we become comfortable, we become relaxed, we become lazy. And that's when the danger really hits us. But I implemented our strategies outlined in my book, and we were able to save our businesses. Now it has become my passion, my absolute passion, to help people learn these strategies so that complacency does not kill their businesses and they acquire the art of achieving continued success in their life.